Sarura Kids.
Today we are practicing our vowels. You might know them as A, E, I, O, U. But when we say them in Shona, they sound like A, E, I, O, U. Try saying some of these words along with me. They're really easy once you get the hang of the vowels, and you'll notice that we can use the vowels to start the words. So the vowels don't always live inside the words. First, we have A. A sounds like this. Aya, awo, ada, adzoka, ambuya, a. Next, we have E. E sounds like this. Enda, edza, edu, ega, erera, e. Then we have E. E sounds like this. Ini, imba, ita, inda, ijga, inofamba, I. Our fourth vowel is O. O sounds like this. Odza, oda, odzoka, omesa, ondera, O. Our last vowel is U. U sounds like this. Umba, udza, urwo, utunga, umruka, U. So, that is how our vowels sound in Shona. Come back next time where we'll be learning about ba, be, bi, bo, bu. Have a good day.